So hi guys, I'm glad to see you here, and today I've decided to go to one local shop where I can buy really cheap things. Like one thing costs only 60 cents. I'm going to go there and to try to find something for sewing, you know, maybe needles, zippers or something like that. I'm not sure about scissors, but who knows, right? And totally I have like only $10, so yeah, let's see what I could find. And yeah, keep watching. Later when I come back, I'll do like little unboxing. Yeah, you see like this little box with needles, tape measurement, buttons. Yeah, they have like long, really long regular zippers. So guys, I've already made my purchase, and for this bag with sewing things I paid only $4 and that's it. Yeah, so now I need to come back home and I'll show you what I bought, okay? But first I'm really thirsty. Yeah, so now I need to go and grab some coffee, okay? Guys, it's time to show you what I have bought in this local cheap shop that I visited before. But today, yeah, this is my bag, and as you remember, I wanted to spend like $10, but it was like really cheap, so I could spend only like $4. So this bag costs only $4. Yeah, but I found like really useful things for sewing, you know. For example, I didn't believe that I could find like scissors, but ta-da! This is like tailoring scissors, right? Yeah, but I need to try it on. They cost just 60 cents, you know. I can't believe in it, you know. So yeah, this is time to unpack this. Oh yeah, it's very easy, by the way. Oh, it's like cute case, right? So I can do something like this. Cool. And for 60 cents it's like really good, but I need to try it how it works. So I have this fabric. actually not bad. The next one, what? Oh yeah, this thing, like little scissors. It's time to unpack it as well. Ooh. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, actually pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's okay. And they have like different colors. Number 3 is this thing. Yeah, I already have like maybe, I don't know, not 100 but maybe 50 back hook and eye closure, and I have a few like white hook and eye closure. It's like a really useful thing, you know. And this thing too. To be honest, I prefer like from metallic sliders and rings. They're made of plastic, you know. Oh yeah, this thing I I really like. Yeah, because recently I bought one, but it was like blue color, and I bought it for my dress with a corset. But now you can see here like the whole set, like five pieces, and they have like different colors. Yeah, so maybe in the future I will be ready to make, I don't know, pants or skirt, for example. So I think these zippers are really useful, you know. And this is like regular, not invisible. What the next one, it is like regular elastic band. Yeah, I can use it, for example, if I would sew like underwear for my boyfriend, for example, right? The next one is this keychain, and I really like it, but it's not only like keychain, you know. It is like, you see? Yeah. From one side you can see centimeters, and from other side like inches. Yeah, I think it's like a really useful thing. So yeah, and I can do like this. Yeah, you see? Cool, right? So yeah, it is the 6th thing. And what else? Oh, and the last one. Ooh, I think that they like don't relate to sewing thing, but hairpins. Yeah, I bought it because they have like cute small scissors here, you see? Yeah, actually I don't like these fake diamonds, but I couldn't say no like to these hairpins, you know. So I think we need to try it as well, right? Oh yeah. Oops. Yeah. So oh, actually it's really cute. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Oh guys, bad weather is coming, you see? So guys, I spent like only $4 for the entire purchase, so I hope you like this video, and as always don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you soon.